Hi guys, and welcome to a coffee chat. I'm Dr. Boomer Brown with Doing Good at Work. Well, things are heating up outside. Temperatures getting close to 100 degrees, and with the heat index, things are heating up from a summer heat perspective. But things are also heating up in our country, fueled by a lot of political unrest and a lot of things happening. In light of what has transpired with an attempted assassination event on a former president, something that we need to speak about, something that we need to talk about, something we need to understand, some changes that we need to make, we need to do this from a position of civility. So when things are heating up, I want to give you some advice today in the coffee chat about civility. You know, you've probably heard this piece of advice: don't talk about religion and don't talk about politics. Well, I'm going to talk a little bit about both of those today. So I want you to listen. Listen to the entire chat completely through and understand I'm coming from some information that is factual, information that will be helpful to you if you apply it in your life. You know, we need to proceed with caution, using civility in the home, in the community, and in the workplace. There is potentiality of lots of things happening when people get heated, when arguments and differences of opinion. We come to those places from different points of view. We're different people. So we need to follow these three real pieces of advice. The key word is real. Get the real facts. Don't proceed with opinions. Listen, ask questions, get the real facts before you engage your mouth, engage your mind first. Know that there is a real enemy. It is not someone that may have a different opinion than you. It is not someone that may have a different party than you, a different skin color, a different way of living. That's not the enemy. The real enemy is Satan. Whether you believe that or not, that's up to you. But I'm going to tell you, there's a real evil in this world, and it's not the person that's across from you. It's a person named Satan, a real being that is looking to destroy you, destroy me, destroy us, destroy this world. Do me a favor. Get the real facts. Know there's a real enemy. And remember, there is a real answer. There is a real answer to all our differences. And that's a one-word answer: God. God has given us a way. He has given us some insights. He has given us some information that can help us live in this world where we are different people with different attitudes, coming from different perspectives, different environments, different cultures. We can learn to live together, to work together, to operate together when we have a common agreement around something that's outside our own humanity. That thing that's outside our own humanity is God. And understanding God and God's truths and God's word can help us work through some of our differences to get answers to our problems. So I want to encourage you today during the coffee chat to make sure that you get real with what's going on. Get the real facts, get the real information, know who the real enemy is, and know where to find the real answer to our problems. You know, here's a good example of some things that God has told us. In James chapter 1, verse 19, it gives us this real good advice. It says to be swift, be quick to hear, listen, be slow to speak, and be slow to anger or wrath. Those are good words in a day when things are electrically charged. Things are heating up. We need to practice civility. So this is my encouragement to you today. I hope you'll take this and think about it. You may not believe all of it. You may not practice all of it, but it's awfully good advice. So thanks for joining me for a coffee chat today. And I hope to see you next week on a coffee chat.